And a breaking news update coming in. The Bharat Biotech's nasal vaccine prices have been fixed. The cost in private hospitals will be 800 rupees plus 5% GST. Also, in addition to this, will be the hospital charges. So, in total, it will cost around 1,000 per dose. 4 drops in each nostril, 8 in total, and 1 vial will cover 2 people. So this is the latest with regards to the administration of Bharat Biotech's intranasal vaccine, which remember has now been inducted into India's vaccination program, the first world's intranasal vaccine that has been also approved as booster dose for adults in the nation. Let me go across to Akanksha, who's going to be breaking down all those prices for us. Akanksha.
Charges for the hospital, that is rupees 150. So the cost of this intranasal vaccine at the private hospital will come around rupees 1,000 is what the Bharat Biotech sources are telling Times Now. Other than this, they've also apprised us that 4 drops of this intranasal vaccine will be put in 1 nostril. That is that means that 1 person will be given 8 drops of this intranasal vaccine, and also 1 vial will have a dropper on top, and that vial will cover 2 persons is what the sources are telling Times. Now, this holds quite a lot of importance because this is first of its kind needle-free vaccine that India has inducted in its vaccination program for the booster dose. And one more advantage that this vaccine has is that this is heterologous. That means if you have taken Covishield or Covid vaccine as your first and second dose, you can take this intranasal vaccine as your booster dose. This is already there on the COVID platform, is what we checked on Saturday, that this was introduced on the COVID platform, and the health ministry told us that this has already been added to the vaccination program. So definitely, but today the prices have been announced. It will come around 1,000 rupees per person. 4 drops will be put in 1 nostril. That means 8 drops will be given to each person.
Okay, all right. Remember, this is India's first COVID vaccine in the form of a nasal spray by Bharat Biotech, and it has received its approval from the DGCI as well for emergency use authorization. Akanksha, it's also now available on the CoWIN application. You're telling us that we ourselves have cross-verified the same.
Well, absolutely. We checked last week. It was available on the CoWIN platform. On Friday, we were apprised by the Health Ministry that this has been introduced in the immunization program of the country, and this holds, as I told you, quite a lot of importance because, first of all, it is being touted as the more effective sort of a vaccine. It can be easily given to a person because drops have to be put in each nostril, so it is not invasive, and that is why it is being touted as an effective vaccine. It is heterologous. That means if taken Covishield as your Covishield or Covaxin as your first or second dose, you can still take this as your booster. Now prices have also been decided. This is also first of its kind needle-free vaccine. A lot of people are afraid of the needles. They say that that is invasive and they are afraid. So for such people, this will be a very simpler way to get the vaccine. And last week, the ministry also told us that only 27 to 28% of the population has taken the booster dose, and that is a very low percentage. So probably with the introduction of the nasal vaccine, more and more people will come forward to take it. And also
the introduction of this nasal vaccine, Akanksha, very, very significant because remember, the virus first infects the body in the nasal pathways. And it is at this very site that this nasal spray targets. So a big induction at that